Right guys, as you can probably hear, the old Fiesta been making a terrible knocking noise anytime I went over a slight bump or the ground was a little bit uneven. Spent ages looking around the wheel arch thinking it was something to do with the suspension. Luckily Sunderland Coin Hunt came to the rescue, told me to check the steering column, and this little bugger was knocking. So I think it was a 12mm female Torx bit. Was a little bit fiddly getting at that top one, but it wasn't actually done up tight at all, so that was probably the only reason it was knocking. But we went ahead, we disconnected it, took it out anyway. It's only 2 bolts, just a standard 12mm socket down the bottom, I think it was. Nice and easy to get at if you move the seat back, and then it sort of just slots out. There we go, easy peasy, just slot the top out after. Right, make sure you check for damage. Go ahead and put a bit of grease on if you've got some. We had plenty lying around, so might as well. Then put it back together, just slide the top and bottom in. Make sure you get the 2 bolts nice and tight. Double check she's not knocking, and the job should be a good one. Hopefully that's helped someone out. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.